I'm re-establishing my love and my appreciation to nature. So if nature is producing it, I'm gonna put it in my body. And if Mr. Human is producing it, I don't want it. Because it's only there to make money and profit. Profit, profit, profit. Mama Nature, she's gonna make these things that are juicy, full of antioxidants. They're fresh, they're sweet, and the fiber that's in them, it's gonna help break that sugar. So you don't have to feel so bad about it. So hopefully, if you take anything from this video, connect with Mama Nature. She is all around and she is there for you.